Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best dehumidifier for grow tents you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dehumidifier for grow tents and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dehumidifier for grow tents so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a dehumidifier for grow tents. The first thing to look at is the size of your grow tent and the capacity of the dehumidifier. A model that's too small won't remove enough moisture, while one that's too large may waste energy. Next, check the humidity control features. Adjustable settings and built-in hygrometers help maintain the ideal humidity level for your plants. Noise level is another factor, especially if your grow tent is in a living space. Also, consider energy efficiency and ease of maintenance, such as removable water tanks or continuous drain options. Finally, look for durability and warranty support to ensure long-term reliability. By keeping these points in mind, you can choose a dehumidifier that keeps your plants healthy and your grow tent environment stable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.